Hello, students. Here's an explanation of step by step of how you're going to do this week's assignment, week 3, The Boy Who Harnessed the Wind speaking activity. The question is, how can one key event or moment change everything? Click reply to brainstorm ideas by typing in the text box. So here's your assignment. Down here under how to record your response is reply. Now, I suggest if you didn't follow very well the video about how to record during class, that before you hit reply, you are going to click on how to record your response and look at that video. Or if you're doing this after having missed the class, how to record your response. So assuming that you've looked at the video of how to record your response, you're then going to hit reply. And you're replying to what? You're replying to how can one key event or moment change everything? And you're going to have a thesis statement, which gives you 2 points out of 10. I believe certain life events can change our lives dramatically, drastically, greatly, significantly, and you can say it in any way you want, but you're answering the question, how can one key event or moment change everything? Then you're going to use a sentence. You can start with this sentence starter in the text. The boy who harnessed the wind has changed William's life and the lives of his community. In other words, and then you give your statement about how this made it different for him and his community. So that's sentence 2, and it's 3 points. Then you're going to compare it to your life. Similarly, my life has changed when, and then you state how that happened. And then your conclusion. Well, no doubt that, and the or you could say, in conclusion, which sums up your thesis statement about how you think that lives can be drastically changed by certain life events. So it's all laid out here with sentence starters. You do have to have the 4 statements at least. You're welcome to put in more. And you do need to address thesis statement, the event from the text, the event from your life, and the conclusion. When you're done with that, you're going to follow the directions that were in the video of how to record your response, and you're going to record. So we're hitting reply. If you look up here, everything I just went over is there for your reference. You can copy the sentence starter if you would like and change it. Don't put in the little slashes, etc. You're making a choice. I believe certain life events can change our lives dramatically. I believe certain life events can change our lives greatly. I believe certain life events can change our lives drastically. I believe certain life events can change our lives significantly. Just choose one of those, or another way to say it. Then you're going to use the sentence starter for in the text and say what the boy did to change his life and the community. And then start with in other words. So that's actually 2 sentences. Then you're going to say, similarly, my life has changed when, and you can also explain how it changed. And then you're going to conclude. Well, no doubt that's one way to start your conclusion. Or you could say, in conclusion, and what you say there is going to repeat pretty much what you thought about in the thesis statement and possibly make a reference to the boy who harnessed the wind and your life. For example, I could say, in conclusion, one event can drastically change your life, such as when the boy in the story, the boy who harnessed the wind, or William, when he made a windmill to create electricity, which helped them in irrigation, he changed the quality of life in his village, and he became well known for what he did. And when I became a teacher, it changed my life drastically. In conclusion, one event can change one's life. Okay, then after you have written your sentences, you're going, as according to the directions, you see the little musical notes. You're going to click on that, and then you're going to click on record. And if you don't want the webcam, you hit no video, and then you click on start recording. Hello, this is my assignment for week 3. All right, and then you're going to save it or start over if you didn't like it. After you save your video, you need to post, once you're happy with it, you wrote your sentences, you read your sentences, you recorded your reading, you're going to post your reply, and you are done.